Welcome to Maths with Steve. I'm Steve and we are doing some more SATs reasoning revision. Right, pause the video there, have a go at this and then come back for the answer. Okay, so it says, question 7, Jack pours some dark paint into a container. Okay, we can see the container there. In litres, how much paint is in the container? Okay, so this here is the paint, okay? And as we can see, this here is 5 litres. You see it's litres there, that's 5. And this one's 4. So this one here must be 4.5, okay? And then this one here would be 4.75. So let's just use that knowledge that we've got. We're going back one space, that's going to be 2.75. And we go back 2 spaces, it's going to be 2.5. The mistake you could make here is you could say 3.5, but obviously 3.5 is here. So it's 2.5. There we go. Question 8, pause the video there, and then we'll go through the answers. Okay, so in this sequence, the rule to get the next number is multiply by 2 and then add 3. So I've got to times 2, then add 3. Okay, let's see then. If I've got here, I've got 25 to 53. I'm just going to give that a test. So 25 times 2 is 50, and then add 3 is 53. Great, okay, so let's try it with the 53. So 53 times 2 is going to be, if I have 53 and I times it by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10, 106. And then if I add 3 to that, that's going to give me 109. So 109. Now then, if I'm going back the other way, I've got to do the opposite. So this one ends with add 3. So I'm going to have to take away 3 and then divide by 2. Okay, so let's give that a try. So 25 take away 3, 24, 23, 22. So that's going to give me 22. And then if I divide that by 2, that's going to equal 11. And then you can always test that out as well. You can say, right, okay, if I put 11 into the original rule, then I've got 11 times 2, which is 22, add 3, 23, 24, 25. So there you go. Question 9, right, okay, pause the video there, and then we'll go through the answer. Okay, Jack chose a number. He multiplied the number by 7. Then he added 85. His answer was 953. What number did Jack choose? Now, if I do that, let's think about this. I have a question mark, and then I times it by 7. And then I add 85, and that equals 953. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it the opposite way round to find out what that was. So if I go 953 and I take away 85 and then I divide it by 7, that should equal what the answer will be. So let's do that. So I'll do this in the actual working box now. I'm going to go 953, take away 85. Okay. 3 take away 5 I can't do, so I'm going to take it from this 5, make that a 4 there, make that 13. So 13 take away 5 is 8. And 4 take away, oh, I can't do that, so that's going to have to change into an 8 and a 14. So 14 take away 8 is 6. And then I just bring down that 8 there. So 868. Okay, so I've done my takeaway 85. Now I need to divide that by 7. So I'm just going to do a little bus stop here. I'm going to go 7, and I'm going to go 8, 6, 8. 7 goes into 8 one time with 1 left over. 7 goes into 16 2 times with 2 left over. And 7 goes into 28, 7, 14, 21, 28. That's going to be 4 times. So the answer to that one is 124. Okay, question 10. Pause the video there, have a go, and then we'll go through the answers. Okay, so it says a theme park sells tickets online. Each ticket costs £24. I'm just going to underline that, £24. And there is a charge for buying tickets of £3. Which of these shows how to calculate the total cost in pounds? Right, okay. So let's think about this. So you want to have each ticket, okay? So each ticket is £24. So if I was to, let's say I was buying 4 tickets, it would be 4 times 24, wouldn't it? Yeah? But because we don't know, we can call that a question mark, or we can call it an X, or anything we want to. Okay, something times 24, and then you've got to add on to that the charge to buy the tickets, which is £3. So what we want is we want to have 24 at 3, basically, don't we? So as we can see here, this is saying times 3 add 24, so that's not going to work. Number of tickets times 24 add 3. It looks like this one, but I'm just going to check out the rest. So this one says the number of tickets add 3 and then times 24. No, that doesn't work. And the number of tickets add 24 times by 3. No, that doesn't work. So this is the only one that it can be. Right, okay. That's the end of that video for today. Again, I hope it is helpful. If it is, then please do like, share, tell your friends about it. Parents, tell other parents. That would be really, really helpful. And anything that you need covering to help you through these upcoming exams, just let me know. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.